helmet.
Look, I really don't think this is a good idea.
Take off the helmet.
I'm not going to take it off. No. Now. Okay. Easy. At your command.
That's trash, Andrew. That is trash, Titi. Just leave the trash alone, okay? Put it in the floor, please. Thanks. Don't play with that, Andrew. That's dirty. Come on. Okay. Why don't you play with your tractor like you were playing? Yeah, tractor. You had the cutest tractor I've ever seen. Ew.
Good question. You should ask him that when we get there.
But I have to be rescued.
You cleaning?
Not by some ogre and his pets.
Give me that, please.
No.
Yes. That is not a hat.
You can tell
Are you gonna play with your tractor?
that if he wants to rescue me properly, I'll be waiting for him right here.
Hey, I'm no one's messenger boy. All right. I'm a messenger.
Stop, you stop.
You coming, donkey? Oh, yep, I'm right behind.
Silly boy.
You will suffer the consequences. This is not dignified. Put me down.
Look, have this one. This one's clean. But I get the old one, you get the clean one.
Say there's a woman to dig you, right? But you don't really like
No.
Now, how you let her down real easy so if
You think you slick.
you don't get burned real good to eat? How you do that?
Just tell her she's not your true love.
Hey,